All right, Ryan here. I have the rear door set for the JK 15-1039. This is our full metal jacket door. We're gonna do a full unboxing, show you what you get in the box and all the stuff for fun. So looking forward to you guys picking up a set of these. All right, JK rear doors, full metal jacket doors. Our part number is 15-1039. So it's an all aluminum door. I'm gonna unbox it for you right here. Got a protective foam, some cool stickers, more foam. Obviously 2 doors. We're gonna have 2 interior handles. We're gonna have all the security bolts if you choose to use them. So let's get the door unraveled here. Okay, sweet. So there's the rear door. Let's move this out of the way a bit. So you're looking at all aluminum construction, exterior handle. You're gonna have your JK style hinges. All our hardware is black coated stainless steel. We got our logo, which is removable for theme painting. Nice wide base, good for your arm. We have the pre-drilled holes for the soft uppers, Rugged Ridge, Rampage, Best Top. All those half soft uppers will fit these guys. Nice smooth radius. You're never gonna catch yourself or cut yourself on our doors. Limiting straps ready to go in the OE spot. You're gonna have an interior handle, latch, all cable driven, all inside. You're gonna have interior pockets here for storage. You're also gonna have your adjustable latch. You're gonna have your rubber bumpers to secure the door when you're going down the road. We also put a set of a bumper here as well. So that's with all our doors. All the hardware is black coated stainless steel. So no rusting. The aluminum makes it pretty manageable for anyone. So that's going to be your door. Obviously the package 2 doors. And then I'm going to show you this spot. This is for your interior handle. That's going to be in the hardware kit. So we got your nut bolt washers for the actual handles. You got your security bolts. And you're going to have your handles. So those guys, basically nut and bolt right here. So I'll make that a little nicer so you can kind of get the idea. So if you did use the soft uppers or you wanted a handle for the kids or whoever, you just bolt that guy on just like that. So pretty neat door. We're pretty excited. We spent a lot of time getting this the way we wanted it. So now it's your turn to enjoy them. So that's your JK rear, part number 15-1039.